Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is April the 24th and I'm using my brand new PIP trigger trading system. This system uses the Hull moving average, just one that's red and blue, moving average, and of course the awesome oscillator here. And I have my standard 4 indicators down at the bottom that drives the super signal indicator. That's the one with the arrows here. Now this does not automatically come with the PIP trigger. If you want the super signal indicator, you have to buy the Easy Trader system. All this information is right below this video in the description. So every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, still is the London session. New York opens at 8. Right around here, and I'm at that point in time I'm looking at all the different instruments, taking a look at my daily trade plan and making decisions whether I should be buying and or selling. Now here is the daily trade plan. It's running in real time, telling me whether I should be blue for buying or red for selling. So once I know if I'm looking to buy or sell, at that point I'll put an up or a down arrow on the charts. You must have some kind of a daily trade plan, or that's a very good reason why you are failing. So here we go, we can get into some of these trades. First trade is the Euro Aussie. Wanted to be buying. There's the arrow I manually put in from the daily trade plan. This is the way the market moves. It could have easily just gone straight up, but it did a bit of a pullback, not very much. So I took the trade at this cursor here and I closed it out at this cursor, locking in about 20 pips. It looks like those 20 pips ended up paying out $133. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. Everything looked good for buying. Hull was blue. AO was blue. Let's see where I got in at. And on this bigger candle, that was the 9:30 a.m. Opening bell for futures and the indices. Now on this Dow, it does pay $5 for each tick, so I took the money, divided it by 5. The calculator says it should be 34. Market went sideways mostly, and then finally, opening bell. And let's see, I said it was going to be 34. There it is right there, 34 ticks. And those 34 ticks paid out $170. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Eurocad. Wanted to be buying it. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Everything here was telling me gonna go up. So I bought it. Bought it here. A little bit of a pullback, and then it continued on its way up, and it hit the ADR, this red line up here. So let's see now, got in at this cursor and I closed it out here, just being happy with about 24 pips. And those 24 pips paid out $177. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Let's run a check on that. S&P 500 is right here. Wanted to be buying it. Hull and all the indicators down at the bottom. Everything looked good. There's the arrow, white arrow from the daily trade plan. So this one pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money, divided by 5. It says it should be 60 ticks. And there it is right there. You remove the last digit, so it's 60 ticks, and that ended up paying out $300. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which was the Russell. Now this one here pays $10 for each tick. Everything was very clear, going up. And looking at the money, this should be 37 ticks. Got in at this cursor and I closed it out here, locking in, like I said, 37 ticks. And that ended up paying out $370. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the DAX 30. I think I'll drop this down to the 5 minutes. Hard to get a reading on the DAX 30 as far as the ticks go. Everything looking great for going up. Now on this one, the DAX 30 pays $3.75 for each tick. And so I pulled the trigger here, decided to do another cycle. That's the way this market is. It's very random. And you must give the trade some room to move. So the calculator does say it should be 120 ticks. And even on the 5 minutes, that's as close as I'm going to get. 119, 121. Anyhow, the calculator said 120, and those 120 ticks paid out $450. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. Another chart looking exactly the same, and it did qualify for a great way to trade. So I took the money divided by 20, and the calculator says it's 35. There it is right there. You remove the last 2 digits, it's 35 ticks. That ended up paying out $704. So another great day of trading using my PIP trigger. I knew it was going to be over 200. Grand total came to 300 pips and ticks, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,304. So if your system's not producing like my PIP trigger system, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. So if you have any comments or questions, or if you want to buy, all you got to do is just Skype me. All my contact information is right below this video in the description. So like I said, right below the video, as you're watching the video, all you got to do is click on this button right here that says Show More. It'll expand. You're going to get a lot of information. Now I really do prefer Skype, so all you got to do is click on this link. Even if you think you don't have Skype, we will be connected through Skype, and we can do some screen sharing. Of course, there's 4 things that you need to succeed at trading. You can read that. And of course, there's 4 different packages, which I do charge $250 each. I recommend buying all 4 packages. Now I have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. Remember, if you want the super signal indicator, it's this in the 3rd package. It does not come with the PIP trigger system. It's a separate package. And of course, if you continue to scroll down more, each package I go into greater detail, showing you what I'm teaching in each and every package. And there it is. There's all my contact information. You can call me, email me, or you can Skype me. I'm in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.